Jingïalang Kynhun Myntri ke sarkar MDA2 haka arpsau dari ukulan kot arja arpsau kalau Mynjur ya ke Kyrwoh pan jingkren haka jingrakhe Republic Day haka arpri dari ukulan kot arja arpsau. Halor ke jingsngan nak benta ke jingrakhe Republic Day kamtam hadian ke jingweng nok HNLC nak miet ikran esok ubak poling do ulang bakam dan kenu ke jingbam sngan bat ula ban biang baka jingkang ke pli ya ke HNLC ban one pie sya ke miet ikran esok.
The speech for the Republic Day celebration 2024. The draft speech was presented before the cabinet, and after detailed discussions, it was approved. The speech will be made on Republic Day at various district headquarters, civil subdivisions, starting from the state capital, and various dignitaries, including governor and members of the cabinet, will be addressing the public at various locations of the state. So the speech was considered and approved by the cabinet today. Arrangements are as per standard norms, and as the law and order situation in the state is satisfactory and peaceful, there is no need for any extra additional measures. As has been indicated by the CM and the Deputy CM when they addressed the media, our doors are still open for negotiations, and that will be reiterated formally in the Republic Day address. The law and order situation in the state is very peaceful, and we do not see HNLC as enemies or people who we should be wary of, which is why we said that our doors of negotiations with them are still open. And that will, in fact, be emphasized in the Republic address.